In this video, I'll show you how to insert a checkbox or a tick box in Google Docs. The way to do it, I'll show you a couple of different things as well. I'll show you how to insert the checkbox, but I'll also show you how to insert bulleted checkboxes, which I'll do for this one. Let's start with bulleted, actually. So to do a bullet one, all you need to do is go over to the bullet. So I've highlighted the text that I want to bullet. You don't have to, you could just start with the bullet. And you see your options here, your checklist menu. Yeah, so that one there is a checklist menu. If you click on the little arrow next to it, you can see that you could put in any of these. And the difference is this one on the left, if you've checked it, it'll put a line through it. And on this one here, if you check it, then you won't have a line through it. So let's go with that. So this is the list. You can then actually check the boxes, which I think is really nice. Now, I'm not sure when this was introduced to Google because I'm seeing lots of videos out there where they don't have this feature in there, but it definitely works. Let's show you that other one. So the other one was having a strike-through version of it. There you go. Which I think is quite nice. Ignore my stray one there. So that's how you do that. Now, personally, I think that's excellent. I wouldn't need to do any more than that. I will show you the other way of having some checkboxes though. If you go to Insert, Special Characters, and then type in here, check, you get all these different checkboxes. You got ones with ticks in, and this one here, which is, just, where it has a tick in itself, but that was green, that was that, blank one. So you got lots of different variations. And you can add them all in. But what you can't do is you can't check or uncheck it. There's no way of doing that. But at least you have the checkbox there. So that is something you can work with. Personally though, I love these bullet points with the ability to check and cross things through. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.